is Katrina Pierce, building sustainable supply chains for the future of global trade. When people think about international trade, they often imagine cargo ships shipping containers and products moving across continents. But behind every successful supply chain are people working to build reliable partnerships, improve transparency, and create long-term business value. One professional contributing to this space is Katrina Pierce, whose work focuses on sustainable sourcing, responsible supply chain practices, and international trade. Through her work with Shea Nexus, she emphasizes that strong business relationships and ethical sourcing can support more resilient global supply chains. Today, we'll explore her approach and why these ideas are becoming increasingly important for modern businesses. Who is Katrina Pierce? Katrina Pierce is the founder of Shea Nexus, a business focused on connecting reliable suppliers with international markets through responsible sourcing and transparent trade practices. Her work centers on sustainable procurement, supplier relationships, and helping businesses understand that successful international trade depends on more than competitive pricing. It also depends on trust, communication, consistency, and responsible business operations. Rather than viewing sourcing as a simple transaction, her approach highlights the importance of building long-term partnerships that benefit suppliers, buyers, and customers alike. This perspective reflects a broader shift taking place across global commerce, where organizations increasingly recognize that resilience and transparency are essential for long-term success. Why sustainable sourcing matters. Modern consumers want to know more about the products they buy. Businesses are expected to understand where materials originate, how suppliers operate, and whether sourcing practices meet growing environmental and ethical expectations. Responsible sourcing helps organizations reduce supply chain risks, improve operational stability, strengthen customer confidence, and support lasting business relationships. Instead of focusing only on short-term savings, sustainable sourcing encourages companies to invest in supplier collaboration, quality standards, and transparency throughout every stage of the supply chain. These practices are becoming increasingly valuable as global markets continue evolving. Technology is transforming global trade. Technology is making responsible sourcing more efficient than ever before. Artificial intelligence helps businesses forecast demand, evaluate supplier performance, and identify potential disruptions before they affect operations. Blockchain improves transparency by creating secure digital records that strengthen product traceability. Internet of Things sensors monitor shipments in real time, while digital twins allow organizations to simulate supply chain operations before making important business decisions. When combined with strong leadership and responsible sourcing strategies, these technologies help organizations build smarter, more resilient supply chains. Looking ahead, the future of international trade will belong to businesses that combine innovation with responsibility. Organizations that invest in trusted partnerships, transparent sourcing, and continuous improvement will be better prepared to respond to changing market conditions while creating long-term value. The ideas associated with Katrina Pierce reflect this direction, emphasizing sustainable sourcing, dependable supplier relationships, and responsible international trade. As global supply chains continue evolving, businesses that prioritize transparency, collaboration, and strategic thinking will be well-positioned for future success. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more insights on international trade, sustainable sourcing, and the future of global business.